Welcome back to Kushka Garage, everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know I am, because I'm working on the old Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma. We're changing out the old four-wheel drive shift knob here. Let me show you what we got. So, already changed out the 8-ball. Now I got this nice shift knob. As you can see, it is orientated the same way. So this is for your Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma. So you got the 4 high, 2 high, neutral, 4 low. It's all in the same spot. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, there's the OG knob. There is no magic to this at all. You just untwist it. It might be a little stiff the first time. That's no problem. Just eat a lot of steak, work out, don't be a bitch, and it'll come right off for you. Get rid of that guy here. The new one is solid steel. Like this is... It's got some heft to it. It is very high quality. Comes in white or red lettering, but it's black everywhere else. Super heavy duty. Also comes with this jam nut here so that we can get it orientated properly. Spin that on like so, and then start spinning this guy on. Now you see how we're a little bit off there. We can just back this up, spin back that nut a little bit. Oop, a little too much. And so you see kind of wants to tighten up right there. We'll just give it the final cinch. Now it's nice and solid and good to go. Bob is your uncle. He's a good guy. That's all you got to do. All right, that's it, guys. I'll put a link in the description for both the 8-ball and for the 4-wheel drive shift knob. The 8-ball functions very much the same. Spin it off, spin it back on. Comes with a bunch of adapters, but you don't need it for the Toyota because it's a 1-to-1 ratio. It just spins directly on, fits perfect. 8-ball's nice and oriented. Nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it. All right, guys, I got to get out of here and do something else. You have a good day.